After elections, COVID cases have exploded in Bengal. My colleague Ashutosh Mishra is bringing you this ground report from Asansol, where patients are running from pillar to post for beds and vaccination centers are running out of jabs. Take a look.
A tenuous 8-phase polls, massive road shows and rallies, Bengal's post-poll COVID surge was already predicted. With a peak in cases, the state is now grappling to cope up. Hospitals in West Bengal's Asansol are ill-equipped and are unable to treat its COVID patients. This is HLG, the biggest private hospital in the region. The hospital does not have enough beds to accommodate the incoming patients and have put out a board saying that beds are not available.
The top private hospitals in Asansol are also running out of oxygen bed and isolation bed. Clearly these notices have been pasted right outside here, no isolation bed available. Also, the biggest concern is now that is coming out that there are also the vaccination affected. These notices which are pasted outside at the private hospital, no vaccination for today, and this has been affected for last few days. This is now going to be a bigger challenge for the state like West Bengal, which is going to be an epicenter for the COVID, particularly post-poll scenario.
The patients are being turned away from another private hospital, CLG. Partho Das has been relentlessly searching for a bed, but no ICU beds are available.
तो अभी कहाँ से आप लोग कहाँ से रहे हैं? यहीं आसनसोल के ही हैं। कहाँ कितने हॉस्पिटल गए थे?
4-5 हॉस्पिटल गए,
कहीं नहीं मिला।
कहीं नहीं।
वो सरकारी वाला जो है गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल
जा रहे उसी में।
अब उसी में लास्ट जा रहे।
With the influx in COVID cases, Asansol is also fighting a major oxygen crunch.
This time is only oxygen that is required. So every patients that are coming, they are on the oxygen support.
How many patients you have to turn away every day?
It's at least 7-8 patients. More than that, because mainly they are coming for ventilation support.
The state's vaccination drive is also very grim. With no supplies, jab seekers are being turned away. Vaccination drive at ESIC hospital has been suspended since 7 days as there are no supplies. Mr. A. Chatterjee has been visiting the ESIC hospital every day since last week to get his second dose.
मैं आज भी आ चुका हूँ, लेकिन आज भी बोला कि वैक्सीन है नहीं, और ये मेरा चौथी दफ़ा या 5वीं दफ़ा है कि मैं यहाँ से घूम के जा रहा हूँ, और मेरा फर्स्ट डोज यहीं पर लगा है। ये इट इज़ ऑलमोस्ट 50 डेज।
कितने दिन से आप आ रहे हैं जब वैक्सीन नहीं मिल रही?
ये मैं लास्ट फ्राइडे में भी आया था और मंडे ट्यूसडे दोनों दिन आया था। वो मुझे बोला कि आएगा, लेकिन वैक्सीन आया नहीं।
Even though the state government has imposed fresh restrictions with suspending movements of local train and limiting public gatherings, markets in Asansol are overcrowded with people flouting all possible COVID norms.
Due to surge in the COVID cases, the biggest private hospitals are running out of beds and oxygen beds. There are crowd in the markets despite restrictions, but moreover, the biggest battle against this pandemic and the cure is vaccination. Be it the private hospitals or even the government care centers, they all are running out of vaccines, and the banners, posters have been posted out right outside the hospitals, no vaccine available. And this now raises the question on the efficiency and how the Bengal is going to fight against COVID-19. And this is just picture in Asansol.
Patients are running from pillar to post, searching for hospital beds, oxygen cylinders, and even vaccines. But rampant violation of COVID rules in the state is making things worse.
Experts did warn about the consequences of violating social distancing norms and other COVID safety norms during the long phase West Bengal Assembly elections. Now the elections are over and impact is quite visible. In the cities like Asansol, there is crisis of oxygen bed. The demand of oxygen have gone 3 times higher. There is oxygen crisis and vaccination disruption. That's clearly a matter of concern for this state. And moreover, it is the public who's also ignorant about the safety rules. Situation really need to be taken care as soon as possible. It is alarming here in Asansol. Bringing you this ground report from West Bengal's Asansol with Sanjay Kumar. This is Ashutosh.